So over the years, I've had a chance to speak to hundreds of customers, and I get a lot of consistent feedback day in and day out about the ease of use for Logix, not only the Logix design environment, but in deployments and the ability to be able to scale across Logix architectures, as well as the multidiscipline environment. It's very consistent feedback, and I think it's an area where Rockwell really stands tall and stands proud. So oftentimes I find myself around the dinner table with my family talking about these conversations that I have every day at work with our customers and the products that our customers are making and how it supports us, the consumer. You know, the toothpaste they use at night, or should be using every night when they go to bed, or the toilet paper they're using, or the vehicles they ride in. It's incredible, and it's amazing in their eyes whenever I explain to them that this is what Dad does every day at work. We work with these customers and we help them be able to make these products better, make them more efficiently to help us and the consumers and the families at home. It's incredible to know the industries and the customers that we touch every single day. And it's a great honor to be a part of that. My name is Brunner, and I'm an application engineer in our commercial engineering team.